Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all well. So today I am going to make Degichi style chicken pulao from my mother's recipe. So let's cook. Take a pan and add oil in it. When the oil is hot, add sliced onions and keep stirring and stir fry. When the onion changes color after roasting, then add chopped garlic and keep stirring until the garlic smells good. Fry both until golden, then stir and add chicken and keep stirring. After stirring, add ginger, sliced tomatoes, green chilies, red chili powder, salt, chili flakes, turmeric powder, and whole spices like black cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, cumin seeds, star anise, cinnamon stick, and a black pepper. So stir well until all spices are well combined. So cook chicken in its water and then add yogurt. Then stir very well and cook until all the water dries up. Then cover and cook until the meat is tender and stir again. Now after that, add water to it and stir it. Cover and cook until water starts boiling. When the water starts to boil, then add the soaked rice and stir well. After that, the water starts boiling again. Cover and cook till the water dries up completely or it remains slightly moist. So stir again and cover with the cloth to remove the remaining moisture so that all the moisture is removed and the rice is cooked very well. Mix lightly and then serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.